Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this Steam needs to be online to update error on your Windows 11 computer. So to fix this, head to the search menu and type in date and time settings. Now select the first result that appears. Now in this menu make sure that the set time zone automatically and set time automatically toggles are enabled. Now try opening Steam again and see if you get the same error. If this doesn't work, open the File Explorer window. Now go to the C drive. Now go to the Program Files or Program Files 86 folder and find the Steam folder inside. Once you find it, simply right click on it and select Cut. Now go back to the C drive folder. Right click anywhere and click on Paste. Once you have moved the Steam folder out of the Program Files folder, simply open it and then try launching Steam again. If this doesn't work, head to the search menu again and type in network reset. Now select the first result that appears. Now in this menu, click on this reset now button. Make sure to restart your PC after resetting the network settings. If nothing else works, however, you can try switching to a different network entirely. So if you are using Wi-Fi, try using your phone's hotspot and see if that fixes the problem.